We guide you through how to fix action not available in Roblox and fix can't like game in Roblox Mobile. So the first thing you need to do is checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable, then making sure you are logged in with the correct Roblox account since account conflicts often cause this issue. Next, clear the app cache by going to your device settings under Apps, Roblox, Storage, clear cache to remove corrupted temporary files, update Roblox to the latest version through Google Play or App Store because outdated versions often trigger this problem. If the issue persists, force stop the app and restart your device to refresh the system and app process. Also, double check if the game itself has restrictions like age settings or developer limits that prevent liking. And finally, if none of this work, uninstall and reinstall Roblox to give you a fresh installation that usually resolves persistent errors. After following these steps, you should be able to like games normally, and don't forget to test it immediately to confirm the fix is working on your mobile device.